As we step into 2025, homeowners in West Valley City are making smart investments in their properties, and one of the most popular upgrades is window replacement. Whether it's for improved energy efficiency, enhanced curb appeal, or better home security, upgrading windows offers numerous benefits. If you're considering a home improvement project, here's why so many homeowners in West Valley City are choosing to replace their windows this year. Energy efficiency and cost saving. West Valley City experiences both hot summers and cold winters, making energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Old, drafty windows allow heat to escape in the winter and let hot air in during the summer, forcing HVAC systems to work harder. New energy-efficient windows come with double or triple pane glass for better insulation, and low-E coatings to reduce heat transfer, argon or krypton gas fills for superior thermal efficiency, insulated frames to minimize drafts. These features help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reduce strain on heating and cooling systems, and lower monthly energy bills. Many homeowners see a significant return on investment through energy savings alone. Increased home value and curb appeal. New windows can drastically improve the look of a home. Whether you prefer modern, sleek window designs or classic styles that match your home's architecture, upgrading windows can give your property a fresh, updated appearance. Additionally, real estate experts agree that replacing windows can increase a home's resale value. Potential buyers are more likely to invest in a home with energy-efficient, aesthetically pleasing windows, making this upgrade a smart financial decision for those considering selling in the future. Enhanced home security. Security is a major concern for homeowners, and older windows can be an easy entry point for intruders. Modern replacement windows offer advanced safety features such as reinforced glass to resist break-ins, multi-point locking systems for added protection, impact-resistant glass to withstand extreme weather and forced entry. These security enhancements provide homeowners with peace of mind, knowing that their families and belongings are better protected. Noise reduction for a more peaceful home. For homeowners living near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas, noise pollution can be a problem. Newer windows with soundproofing technology significantly reduce outside noise, creating a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment. Double or triple pane windows, along with insulated frames, help block unwanted sounds, making your home a more relaxing place to live. Protection from harsh weather conditions. Utah's climate brings everything from scorching summers to heavy snowfall. Older windows may not provide adequate protection against these conditions, leading to condensation, leaks, and higher energy costs. Upgrading to weather-resistant windows helps protect against strong winds and heavy rain, UV rays that cause furniture and flooring to fade, extreme temperatures that lead to window frame expansion and contraction. Choosing high-quality windows designed for Utah's climate ensures your home stays comfortable and well protected year-round. Low maintenance and durability. Older wooden windows require frequent maintenance, including repainting, sealing, and repairing damage caused by moisture or pests. Modern window materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite offer long-lasting durability with minimal upkeep. These options resist warping, rotting, and cracking, allowing homeowners to enjoy beautiful, functional windows without constant maintenance. More natural light and better indoor comfort. New window designs allow homeowners to bring in more natural light while maintaining energy efficiency. Larger window installations, such as bay windows, picture windows, and sliding glass doors, can brighten up interior spaces, making homes feel more open and inviting. Additionally, UV-blocking coatings help protect furnishings and flooring from sun damage while still allowing plenty of natural light inside. Is it time to upgrade your windows? If your windows are drafty, difficult to open, or simply outdated, now is the perfect time to invest in replacements. Homeowners in West Valley City are upgrading their windows in 2025 for a variety of reasons, from lower energy bills to enhanced security and curb appeal. Upgrading your windows is more than just a cosmetic improvement, it's an investment in your home's efficiency, safety, and value. If you're ready to explore your window replacement options, consult with a trusted window installation expert in West Valley City today. With the right windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable, stylish, and secure home for years to come.